If you are unable to save your progress in Final Fantasy XVI, then follow the instructions of this video to learn how to fix this issue in a quick and easy way. First, open your Start menu. Open Settings. Open Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and then click on Manage Settings. Disable Real-Time Protection. Now open Final Fantasy XVI and try to save your game. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.